Hey friends, it's late summer right now, perfect time for a trip to the market, so I present to you Farmer's Market Doodles. Berries in a crate, a long rectangle with a little square underneath, fill in that square, and then do a bunch of red squiggles, little half circles. We'll also do a crate of beans, long rectangle, little square underneath for the crate, and then for the yellow beans, just lots of yellow lines. And we're going to come back to those two. Basket of peaches. Peaches are my favorite thing to get at the market. Long rectangle, fill it in, and then do this little upside down L shape at the top. Lumpy circle shapes with an orange marker, light peach colored marker. And now it is time to continue these first illustrations. Grab some darker colored pencil crayons or bullet point markers. The Tombos are great for that. You just flip them. And we're going to give definition to the little crates. We can shade the base of the strawberries, add little leaves to the berries and peaches, put some lines to show a basket weave on the basket, and even shade the underside of the handle. We can add a little bit of red or pink to the peaches for shading. And then for the beans, we will draw in the green beans. Beans are Sally's favorite thing to get at the market, and we always get a mix of colors. Okay, I wrote market doodles in the center, and now we're going to draw sunflowers. So start with an oval or circle and just do this crown of messy lines all around with the yellow. We're going to draw in the center with a darker brown, and then just add some definition with a dark yellow or light brown. You can draw in the stems using colored pencil or marker, and I sort of scribble in some leaves at the very end there. A jar of canned goods like jam or honey or relish. Start with a rounded square and then do that oval-shaped label. An oval on top in brown creates like a nice paper on the lid. Then we're going to fill in with pink, leaving a bit of negative space between the jar and the jam. Put a little bow, and then you can shade the paper as well with a darker brown. Finally, add some text or even an illustration to your label. Lastly, we have plums, and we are going to do some circles or heart shapes with a light purple pencil. We'll add leaves as well, and then shading with a dark purple marker. So this time we've done pencil first, marker second. From there, guys, I'm just adding a little bit of darker green to some of these. I'm going to go over the bow on the jam. So just some little shading where I think it is warranted. I'm going to use a fine liner to write market doodles in the center here. Put some dots on the peaches and the strawberries to show fuzz and seeds, and maybe we'll finish it with a little bit of a shadow for the baskets and jar. Thanks for watching today, guys. I wish you a happy trip to the farmer's market. Get the full worksheet over on Patreon. It's a great way to support this channel and make sure that these free YouTube videos always stay free. Thanks for being here, friends. I'll see you soon with a new tutorial.